The smartest way to squeeze maximum value from YouTrip begins with understanding how the app processes currency conversions. YouTrip automatically applies live wholesale exchange rates, which are often cheaper than traditional bank rates. The real hack is knowing when and how to lock in those favorable rates and avoid hidden charges that reduce your spending power. The first step is to preload your wallet in dollars when global forex movement trends in your favor. Weekdays typically offer the most stable spreads since currency markets operate at full liquidity. Loading your YouTrip wallet during active trading hours helps you secure tighter spreads, preventing you from paying inflated conversion costs during volatile off-hour swings. Another effective hack involves selectively using YouTrip only in currencies where it consistently outperforms commercial bank rates. Dollar-denominated online purchases, travel bookings, subscription payments, and digital tools often benefit from YouTrip's wholesale pricing. By shifting these payments from credit cards that add foreign transaction fees, you immediately save extra dollars that would normally be lost to bank markups. A major advantage comes from monitoring rate behavior within the app. YouTrip displays real-time conversion data, making it easy to top up when the dollar weakens. Small timing differences can translate to meaningful savings, especially on high-value transactions like hotel reservations or tech purchases. A final technique is using YouTrip in combination with merchants that bill strictly in their local currency. This ensures the conversion is handled by YouTrip's low-spread system rather than the merchant's inflated dynamic currency conversion. Declining merchant-offered conversions preserves the cheaper YouTrip rate and protects every dollar you spend. These simple but strategic steps allow you to get the best possible exchange value from YouTrip and keep more dollars in your pocket on every foreign transaction.